Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know the drill. Y'all know what we're gonna be doing today. I'm really excited about today's video. We have another Glamlite Foodie Box to unbox with you guys. The last Glamlite Foodie Box on my channel did so well and I'm so happy about that. So I'm hoping you guys really want to see an unboxing of this one. This is chocolate theme. This is the Chocolate Factory. Look what's in here. There is a golden ticket. I just love the attention to detail that Giselle put into this box, you guys. It says, "Congratulations, foodie. You are the recipient of the Glamlite Golden Ticket, which gives you exclusive access to the ultimate chocolate experience. In this box, you will find the most decadent and delicious chocolate treats ever. Welcome to the Glamlite Chocolate Factory, Giselle." That's so cute! I love when brands like personalize things like this because this is just so well thought out and absolutely, it's just so fun. When I saw the preview of this on Instagram, my mouth dropped open because not just because like this was another foodie box so soon, but because it was chocolate themed. There's a ton of new products in here, and once again, this box only cost $45, and I'm not sure if it's still available now, but of course, like I always do, when I edit this, I will put it on the screen if it is or isn't, but I'm really excited because I'm wearing everything today and I love this look. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this box. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It's really, really cute. Once again, the attention to detail is just absolutely amazing, and Glamlite always gets a 10 out of 10 for attention to detail, as well as like the thought that's put into each and every one of their products. You guys, I burnt myself curling my hair a couple days ago and it just looks so bad. You guys probably didn't even notice and I just pointed it out. Okay, well then. So like I said, this box retails for $45. It includes a ton of products as well as new products, and this box has 3 pairs of lashes. So the first pair of lashes that we have in here is the Choco Lash from Glamlite. It is absolutely beautiful. Their lashes range to about $10 to $14. I'm not entirely sure if like the last box, the Christmas box, if items were available individually. I don't see why not with the palettes that are in this box, because I mean, everyone probably wants these things, so I don't know. The second pair of lashes we have, it's called the Chocolate Candy Bar. I love that this looks like a chocolate bar. It is so pretty. I love Glamlite's lashes. They have some of my favorite lashes next to the lashes that I sell from my brand, but really love their lashes. I feel like this is a brand that with every collection, you know, you can look forward to lashes being included, and that's what I love about Glamlite. I love this brand so much. It's truly a fun brand. You guys know how I feel about Glamlite. I have quite a bit of videos on my channel about Glamlite, and I really do love their products. And then the last pair of lashes that I'm wearing today is the donut lashes. This is what I'm wearing right now. These are literally so glamorous, so full, so voluminous. I thought that these lashes just brought this neutral look to the next level. Really love these lashes. I love the packaging that these came in. It came in like this little donut. It's so cute, you guys. It's so cute. So in this box, there were 2 palettes and 2 lip products. So let's go ahead and move into the palettes because I'm really excited and I just really want to get to these palettes. So the first palette that is included in here is the S'mores Highlighter and Contour Palette. I am wearing everything, and when I say I tried to wear everything, you guys will see what I'm talking about in just a second. But let's talk about the packaging of this because Giselle made this look just like a freaking s'more. Now, I don't usually eat s'mores, but I know how they look, and this is exactly how they look. I love that the top, like the packaging of it is, if you guys have ever felt like the donut palette or the burger palette packaging, how it's kind of like raised and kind of like fluffy a little bit, that's how this is. This has some like 3D texture type volume to it, and I just love it. I love how this looks like a literal s'more, and I think that is so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Now let's talk about the contour in this palette. So when I saw a sneak peek of this, I was kind of taken aback by this little palette that was included in here because I had a little bit of a concern about the contour shade in here, and my concern was pretty much right. I tried to use this today and it did nothing for me. Absolutely nothing. It did not show up on my skin. I don't know what I would use this for. that's kind of like my thing with doing a face palette, because it can't cater to every single skin tone. Like, it's just so impossible unless there are a ton of face palettes that that have their own ranges for each skin tone, kind of like what Morphe did, where they had like a face palette dedicated to each specific skin tone. With this, only a certain amount of people can get use out of this chocolate shade in here, and that kind of sucks. I don't usually buy face palettes unless I feel like it's gonna completely work for me, and if this was not included in this box, I don't think that I would have purchased this on its own, to be honest, because I can only use honestly one shade out of this palette. I mean, I did get use out of the lightest highlighter for the nose, because I don't mind putting really light highlighters on my nose because it doesn't really look ridiculous, you know, it looks really pretty on the nose actually. But the shade Graham Cracker is the highlighter in here, and it's like this goldeny highlighter, which is so perfect for deeper skin tones, and I'm wearing it today. I actually really love this highlighter. It is pretty finely milled. It's kind of subtle, where you get like a lit from within glow. It's the kind of highlighter that you can bring it all the way onto the cheek for a nice glow to the cheek where it doesn't look ridiculous. This literally melts into the skin. I am gonna go ahead and swatch the highlighters for you, even though I did wear them today, and I also swatched the contour, so like you can't even see the contour because it just literally like I don't know. But yeah, these are the highlighters in here. Really pretty. Love these highlighters. I believe these are like the same highlighter formula that is in the donut palette. Also, when I unboxed this, I immediately thought of the Beauty Bakery face palette. It literally reminds me of that. The sizing of it is the exact same. The pan sizes are the exact same. As far as the formula, not entirely sure, but the highlighters kind of look the same. So I am gonna just compare this to you guys in case you guys have this, and I love comparisons, so let's do one right now. So the sizing of this is the exact same as the Beauty Bakery brownie bar. The only difference between the two palettes is that the middle shade is a blush in the Beauty Bakery palette, and in the Glamlite palette, it is a highlighter. So as far as the highlights in here, I am going to swatch the Beauty Bakery highlighter because they look like the same type of formula, but okay, yeah. So the Beauty Bakery highlighter is the one on top. It is a little bit more golden than the Glamlite one, but I just wanted to compare those two shades just in case you guys were interested in this comparison. Let's go ahead and talk about the eyeshadow palette that is in this collection, because we have a new palette. We have the chocolate donut palette, you guys. This is so exciting. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This was a chocolate themed box, and I was really expecting a chocolate type of palette. Like, I really thought it was gonna be like a candy bar, to be honest. I just did not know what to expect, but I was not expecting the route of a donut, you know what I mean? I just really wasn't, but I'm not mad at this. Like, now I feel like donut palettes is something we could possibly look forward to, because there's so many types of donuts. There's a lemon donut, there's like the other donut she has, then we have the chocolate donut. I mean, come on, like, she's spoiling us with the donuts. You know, I love donuts, I can't complain. It is just like the original donut, except it's chocolate. You guys finally got your neutral fantasy from Glamlite, and let me just tell you guys, this is not a boring neutral palette. This is so beautiful, absolutely stunning. This is such a gorgeous curated palette. There's a ton of transition shades in here. The shimmers are absolutely amazing, as you guys can see from the swatches. The palette just looks really beautiful, and I created such a gorgeous look with this palette. It was so easy to create a look, by the way. Like, I did not have to think about the look that I was going to create with this palette, because it was just so easy. I know you guys probably want to see this palette next to the donut palette. I am going to show you guys the two palettes just in case you can't decide which one you want to get. I do want to say they are two completely different palettes. Here we have the original donut palette next to the chocolate donut palette. They are the exact same size, very cute, very small, and the inside of the donut palette looks like it has a bunch of colors, and here is the chocolate palette. So you literally get the sister, like, I guess maybe the cousin to the original donut palette. Completely different, and I just love Giselle's take on this neutral palette. It's absolutely stunning, and when she was telling people about this neutral palette that was in the works, I was like, oh no, what's gonna happen? Like, Glamlite has all these colors, like, what is this neutral palette gonna look like from Glamlite? What are they gonna do? Is it gonna be food themed? Is it gonna be like a normal, basic palette? Like, what is it gonna be? but I was not expecting a chocolate donut. So that's just all I gotta say about that. Mini palettes, like the donut pots, I believe retail for like $22 on their own. Like the original one retail for $22. So if this is sold individually, it probably is $22. I'll have the price on the screen with all the correct information for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the last two products in this box, which are lip products. Of course, you can't have a Glamlite Foodie Box without lip products. I mean, come on, it's Glamlite, you know? I was shocked because the two lip products that were included in this box are my two absolute most favorite Glamlite lips ever. That is the hot chocolate lips. Oh my gosh, the hot chocolate lips look so beautiful. The hot chocolate lips is absolutely stunning. It's the one I'm wearing on my lips today. It is like the most perfect nude. It's my perfect nude, and it definitely smells like hot chocolate. I already had both of these shades because they are my favorite Glamlite shades, so I already had both of these. So I mean, the box was only $45. Everything else that I showed you guys already, I didn't have. I most definitely got my money's worth, so I did not mind getting this box with two of the lip products that I already had. I could use them for backups. I just might include them in a giveaway though. And then the s'mores one. You guys, if you love s'mores, get this. It smells like s'mores. I'm not too shabby on like what s'mores is supposed to smell like, but it smells so good. It is so pigmented. You do not need a lip liner. You do not need anything like that. This gloss is just so opaque that you do not need anything else with it. This smells like s'mores. It smells like graham crackers, marshmallows, chocolate. It smells like everything a s'more is supposed to smell like. And I just, oh my gosh, it smells so good. But yeah, these two are like, I don't know what it is about me, but I love browns. Like, I gravitate to brown lips so much. That's literally what my lip collection consists of, is brown glosses and brown lipsticks, which is kind of bad. Like, I don't own any reds, anything like that. So yeah, like, these two are my favorite Glamlite glosses that they have. But yeah, I think this was such a good box. Like, do I think this is better than the Christmas box? I don't know. Like, I truly don't know. I feel like they're low-key almost equal. The only thing that I was kind of like a little bit disappointed in is the bronzer shade in here, because that's just a shade in this palette I can't use. But someone else who can use that bronzer, I bet they're really, really happy about being able to use every shade in here. I just do wish that the s'mores palette was a highlighter palette. I think that instead of the bronzer, it should have just been a highlighter, because I feel like it would have been a little bit more of an inclusive palette. But other than that, this box was really good. I don't know what the next foodie box could be, you guys. Like, what could it be? Honestly, there might be like an American themed foodie box or something. I don't know. I think the Christmas box is my favorite one, just because every single product in there I could use. You know what I mean? This is a really good box too. Very, very much worth the price that it is. But yeah, the Christmas box was my favorite. You guys, we're Christmas. Oh my god, Christmas is literally this week. Christmas is Friday. Can you guys believe that? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Your girl is very consistent here on this channel, so if you love consistency, definitely subscribe. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.